Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a review of this Dark Spriggan pet in Garden game of Roblox new Ghoul Garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could get this Dark Spriggan because it's pretty hard to get it. If you want to get this Dark Spriggan guys, you can visit the Halloween market which appear every hour, and then you can buy this Dark Spriggan from there. And now let's put it on the garden. I'm going to place it here. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the ability of this pet. Okay, Dark Spriggan. Okay, basically it can give us the blight mutation, but the cooldown time is around 21 minutes. So yeah, it's good because it can give you blight mutation, but I don't really like the Dark Spriggan due to the cooldown time. And I'm going to show you again. Okay, the ability is mutation. It can give mutation. Yeah, not bad, but not my favorite. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.